Right guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you on how to reset your mouse settings to default in Windows 10 11. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So here in your search bar you're going to search for mouse settings. Okay, right there. And here you can see on your right pane it says additional mouse option. Click on that. Okay, here you're going to go into your pointers and click on use default. Okay, so clicking on that will reset everything to the default value. And click apply and okay, make sure you click apply okay to save it. And yeah, pretty much that's about it for this tutorial. And it will help you to get back your mouse pointer, so you don't have to worry about that. So if this video helped you, do leave a like, share and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching guys.